Alright, here we are at the Gold Elevators in the economy parking garage. They're Schindlers. And these ones are older than the ones that we just rode. Looks like we're gonna get car number 2, which up here is labeled as B. The cabs look pretty similar to the ones in the long-term garage elevators. Dual indicators.
Going up. Level 6.
We're gonna go down the 1. There's your cab view.
Going down.
Here's your certificate. We're gonna look at the interlock. The date on it, I think that says 12:05. It's kind of hard to see. If I zoom in, maybe it makes it easier. No, it doesn't even make it easier, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. I'm pretty sure that says 12:05. Anyway, we're gonna go to the next bank.